Welcome back everyone to a new video, and today we're going to be talking about the Custom Themes Manager. And there has been a new update about a few weeks ago, version 4.01. For all of my new users out there or new jailbroken PS Vita users, thank you so much for watching, and we're going to dive into the Custom Themes Manager application and show you everything that's involved in this app. Thank you guys so much for watching, but before we move further, I have a word from our sponsor. So we're taking a look at the Future Starship 2-in-1 40,000 milliamp power bank. This thing is sick. I love the aesthetics on this guy, and it weighs 2 pounds. That is insane. Not only that, but it has an awesome little LCD screen that shows you the percentage of the power bank and what's coming in and out as far as watts when you're charging different devices or if you're recharging the power bank. This is perfect for on the go, especially when you have a bunch of handhelds like me and you can just charge all these different devices simultaneously. Equipped with 9 protection functions for safe charging on all your devices. It's equipped with 1 USB-A and 3 USB-C ports. The maximum output power on this guy is 140 watts. If you're interested in picking one of these guys up, I'll have a link in the description down below. Big shout out to AOHI for sponsoring this video. So, right away you're going to have 8 different options with some very nice icons, very clean layout here. The first one is apply an installed theme. So this is the section where you'll find all of your downloaded themes. So let's take a look and you'll see what I'm into a little bit. And these are all of the different themes I got going on my PS Vita. Now some of them don't work, and you'll see that information in there when you go and try to install some of these new custom themes from the online repository. The next option is install a custom theme from the local folder. So you can install themes from your SD card if you already downloaded a bunch or taken some off from another SD card from another PS Vita. You can grab those themes off of there. Moving on to uninstall a custom theme, pretty self-explanatory. Down here we have the cache and DB backups management. Set a default partition to use for custom themes installation. Let's see here, check online repository for new versions of the install custom themes. Moving on to dump an official theme to the local folder. And pressing square will show our command list. Available commands, we have press right, left, or R and L, or the front touchscreen to select an action, press cross or the front touchscreen to confirm, circle to play or stop the background music, press triangle to exit from the application, and press start to reboot the console. So pressing square again will hide those command lists. Let's now go and take a look at the latest and greatest themes. And you can have different looks and feel to the list here. So let's press select. And we can change our display mode. So we have grid, which is currently enabled. We can do list. So you can go by list like that, which I'm not a big fan of. And we have mini grid. So instead of showing 6, it's going to show us 20 themes. So if you want to go through them quickly, you can. I'm not a big fan of that because I can't really see the details into these themes. So I'm going to go back to grid. And what's nice, after a while of using it, these themes will start to load up a lot faster when you go back into the application. The first time you go through it, it's going to take some time for it to load all of the different options for you. And when you're looking at these themes for the very first time, they're all going to be tagged as new on the very top left-hand corner. Moving on, right there. And you have to press the L1 or R1, actually just left to right on your PS Vita. I'm using a PS4 controller here. But you want to press left and right to move from different pages. And you can see how fast these pages have loaded because I've already gone through and looked at these themes. See, I downloaded the Mysterious Gentleman not too long ago. And pressing start will bring up the search bar, so you can search up keywords like JDM. You can search Pokemon. What's this one? God of War. I don't know, simple, minimalistic, things like that to find certain themes that you're looking for. Let's try JDM. I can't see my keyboard on here, so I'm just going to do a quick JDM search. A lot of people are so interested in the theme that I've always showcased in my videos, which is the white JDM version 1.00 by Fizzlo. And pressing the select will show us the detailed validation report for this custom theme. And it will give us a lot of information about this theme and what's going on with it. So you can see here how there's the generic checks, summary, themes data, info bar, live area, lock screen. So it shows a lot of information. Let's go back here. And let's see, pressing circle will return us to the custom themes list. Pressing X will download this custom theme. Pressing left or right or slide on the front screen will switch to details and preview images. So you can see what this is going to look like on your console. So you have your home preview and then you have your lock screen preview. By far one of the best for me. It's one of the best themes because I truly love JDM and I grew up, watching a lot of different movies and shows and things like that. And I'm a big car guy, so this is a perfect clean theme for a guy like me. Here at the front page, we have created by, the version, our downloads, a validation score. So a validation score is very important to see how well this theme is actually working. So 91 people have validated that this theme is working. And there's going to be a few where you're going to see warnings. People are going to report warnings and errors, and it's not recommended for you to use that theme. The description we got here is artistic, Japan, car. So those are keywords you can type into the search bar to find these themes. Test results, we can refer to the validation report that we just pulled up through the web browser. Very simple. Let's do the black JDM. I haven't downloaded this one yet. And I just pressed R and it's going to connect and preview those images. Very nice. So let's press X to download. And obviously you need your PS Vita connected to Wi-Fi to enjoy this application and all the themes that it has available, because you have to download this stuff, right? Common sense. But I know a lot of people always questioning and having these kind of simple questions that can be simply answered just by enabling your Wi-Fi connection. Extracting custom themes, so it downloaded, now it's going to extract those files. And the program has extracted the files from the zip package successfully and acquired the following data for the custom theme from its theme.xml file. The title is Black JDM. Version is version is 1.00. Thumbnail file, your preview file, lock screen, home screen, and path. So we can see where these themes are located, and it's going to be in numeric order. They won't actually give you the title, which is interesting because when you download, let's say 10 themes, it's going to go theme 1, theme 2, theme 3, theme 4. So it's kind of annoying. I was hoping that they would change or make an update where the path ID would be the title of that theme. So it'd be easier to kind of manage all of these themes that we have. And I have over like 70 themes on my older PS Vita, or my first PS Vita 1000 OLED. And I'd like to transfer those over, but not everything, because not all of them are working. And I was doing a lot of testing. But we can press circle to cancel this installation and delete the extracted files, or we can press start to write the above custom themes data into your database. So let's press start and press any button to continue. So once we have that downloaded, we can press circle, go to the first option here to apply and install theme. And that will happen for some odd reason. So what we'll have to do is just restart the app. And yeah, I'm not sure why it's not working, but it's good to kind of showcase this. Oh, that's interesting. So I guess we're going to have to restart our console completely. All right, let's go back into Custom Themes Manager and see if we're able to install a theme. Now, I have had that happen a couple times in the past. Not a big deal. All you have to do is just restart your console and you're good to go. So here is the Black JDM theme, and we can select it and it will install that theme for us, which is pretty nice. Beautiful cars there. Pressing triangle and going into the wallpaper option, you'll have another folder pop up, which is the folder that's related to the custom theme you just installed or applied to. So here are the different options of pictures, and you can disable the background music, and I'll show you how to do that. Sound and display, and we can turn off the system music if you are not a big fan of some of the music that these themes provide, which I'm not. Sometimes it's obnoxiously loud and annoying, or it's just not a tune that I'd like to listen to at the moment. So you can just disable it there and you're good to go. So that is a breakdown of how the custom themes work on your PS Vita through the Custom Themes Manager. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these types of videos for these beginners out there that are just getting into the PS Vita homebrew scene for the very first time. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.